Yeah. You know. Do me a favor, boys and girls. Don't ever do what I'm about to show you how to do while riding a motorcycle. Like, this is amazing, but incredibly stupid at the same time. I love it. So some of y'all may remember, I'm still blown away by this. A while back, I did a video where I talked about enabling CarPlay on your bike, and it takes this little Fooler plug that's like 15 bucks or something off Amazon. I'll put the link down below, and I'll put a link to that other video. And you just plug it in the back of your stereo. It fools your Harley stereo into thinking it has a microphone, which is the thing that causes CarPlay and stuff to not work. And it causes Apple CarPlay to work. It also makes Android Auto. I think it already worked, or I don't know, something like that. So I only have Apple, so that's the only thing I can play with. Yeah. So it makes Apple CarPlay work. Then I found this little device on Amazon that a lot of you knew about. I didn't know. I'm slow in a lot of ways. But it's a little device that makes your CarPlay wireless. You don't have to plug your phone in, because my phone was up on the... I still got to take that mount off. Anyway, phone was up on handlebars, and going on the highway, I was too tempting to screw with it, and you should not be doing that. And so, and because it doesn't fit in the little garage thing in your fairing. Phone's too big. This. So, what it is, I found this wireless adapter thing. And I tried it, and I'll be damned if it didn't work. It works really well, actually. Takes up to maybe 60 seconds for it to boot up and get started. Well, I did that video, and a bunch of you watched it. And evidently, a bunch of you bought those. And so the company that makes that reached out and said, hey, man, thanks for the video. Because I bought that thing. I bought the thing. I bought the adapters. You know, whatever, not sponsored or whatever. And they said, that was really great. You know, we have a new one coming out. And I'm like, oh, yeah, is it like, you know, like faster booting up or something? Because that's like my only complaint, is you could be up to 60 seconds and you want to sit there waiting to make sure everything's jiving before you get on your bike and roll. And he says, yeah, it does that. It does other stuff also. Evidently, we're drag racing. Even sounded decent. Normally, it's a damn Civic with a big old muffler, but that sounded good. Anyway, so it does other things. I'm like, what other things is it? And he starts describing it, and I just start laughing on the phone like, this is ridiculous. It's great. So, the new AutoSky whatever. It's a little box. It's basically an Android tablet, like the brains and guts of an Android tablet inside a little box, that somehow, on your 2019 and later Harley Boombox GTS stereos, the ones that don't have physical rubber buttons on them, right? So that the outside of your screen on your stereo on your bike is glass, it's all flat, and they're like light up buttons, but they aren't rubber buttons. That's how you know the difference, okay? If you have that stereo, 2019 or later, if your bike has GPS, you know, it somehow takes control of that screen and makes it sort of a minimalized tablet. And so you still have Apple CarPlay, and the Apple CarPlay is better. That was the thing that I was interested in. It's faster. It also does YouTube and Netflix. Like, on your screen, what you just saw was All's Quiet on the Western Front by Netflix on the screen of my bike. Let's play with this a little bit. Whenever you're trying to make a video and you need to show the screen of your bike and it's all covered in fingerprints, what you do is you grab an oily rag and you just smear it all over and make it much worse. That's how. Pro Monkey Pro tip right there. Anyway, so this is the old one, and this is, I think, 80 bucks. This is like the Pro version. It's supposed to be a little quicker and stuff. And this is just a wireless Apple CarPlay adapter. So again, step one, behind the fairing, you put the plug in that fools your bike into thinking it has a microphone. Or take it to the dealer and they can plug it into Digital Tech and they can do the same thing. But to me, that's more permanent. And this way, you can just take it out if you ever want to undo that, right? Like I like that way better. That, and I get to do it myself, and nobody's going to charge me nothing. So, like 15, 20 bucks for that little plug. And then step two is this little guy for like 80 bucks. And again, I'll put all the links and stuff. And it gives you wireless Apple CarPlay. All right, if you want that. It works for me because I'm building sort of a secondary place for my phone back in my saddlebag, better weather protection. I was using a Rockford mount, which worked fine, but again, like I said, it was out in the weather and I was screwing my phone too much. So I'm removing the temptation, and I got a little storage platform guy made by Hardbaggers right there, that guy. and I got from Hardbagger their power outlet. Thanks for one of you to let me know that they make one specific for that. So my phone's going to sit there nice and safe out of the elements, and I won't screw with it. And I'll still have my musics and bebops via the wireless CarPlay. Now, again, that's 80 bucks. What they just sent me, and I bought this and I bought the plug, but they did send me this after the video because they wanted me to try it out. And I'm like, well, why? I already have one. They're like, you're going to need to see this. So this one is $120, $119.99. That's the box for it. But it's got like a coupon right now that makes the price lower, and I'm sure Black Friday stuff. I'll put the links if you want to do this. We're going to stop right now and cover some things. You know what I'm about to say. Just because a thing can do it does not mean you should do it. This is a better CarPlay box. CarPlay box is faster, boots up faster and all that stuff. But the whole streaming video thing, do not do that while riding a motorcycle. Like, come on, boys and girls. I mean, I always say I don't want nobody getting hurt. I mean that. Like, this shit's dangerous enough without you watching me on YouTube going on the damn highway. Like, do not do that, please. But if you want to sit in a parking lot and show everyone how cool you are because you're watching the latest, what's the, I don't know, you're watching some 90s Los Angeles-based teen drama. I don't know. If you want to do that in the damn parking lot, that's fine. You can't watch porn. I already tried. There's not. I looked into it. It doesn't work. Unless there's someone on Netflix. I'm going down a rabbit hole here, but anyway. So you can watch YouTube and Netflix on your screen. I'll show you how it sets up. It's mindlessly simple. So I deleted my old one. I deleted this one just so I didn't know if it would cause an issue or not. So I went in there and forget this device. You know a little bit about how to use your phone, but this does do Android Auto also. If anyone's going to ask, it does do that. So in the little garage that the phone normally would go into is this guy. That's it. In here is basically the guts of an Android tablet, right? And it uses a USB cable via USB-C, plugs in there. That's it. That's the end of the physical installation. You plug it in the USB port, you tuck that sucker away. If you have a Road Glide, you know, different compartment, but same thing. Now, you fire up your bike, and it's going to do a boot process that is like, oh, woo, like colorful and stuff. And I don't know if I'm going to sit here long enough to do the whole thing, but yeah, okay, so accept. It's going to say my gas is low because I brought her home bone dry last time, but you know, hey, that's what I do. It gives me something to do. Oh, I got to go put gas in the bike. See you in about an hour. There we go. So no, look, there's the animation that's not Harley. You can see that. It's called Highbox. This whole thing comes up, okay? So this little guy, you Bluetooth it to your phone. Like, it just, you find it, it says Highbox, you connect it, it asks for a PIN code. I didn't find the directions, but I figured it out. It's 0000. And look, this is because it's the last thing I was doing. It starts Netflix. There you go. Playing Netflix on the stereo of my motorcycle. Like, that is beyond goofy. The second thing you do if you want to do all this stuff is it does have to have a Wi-Fi connection. So in the settings, look at this. Look, there you go. Oh. So in the settings on the home screen, there's connections like any tablet, and you hit Wi-Fi and you connect it to either you tether off your phone, which you could do that. The Wi-Fi, you know, if your phone has a personal hotspot, you tether off your phone, or right now it's connected, I think, to the Wi-Fi in the house. But look at this. What is this? So this is insane. I'm just browsing Netflix on the screen of my bike. Look at that. Now, there's the home button that's up under this thing here. So this is the home screen of it, and there's settings. And in here is network and internet. And it's connected to my home network right now. But again, you could pair it to your, connect it to your personal hotspot on your phone. And just all the settings. It's just a little Android tablet, like, right? And you also, it has a slot for a micro or nano or pico or the hell size SD slot you could put in there. That you could put movies, music, and everything else on there if you want to. And it plays from here. Otherwise, you got your Apple CarPlay, which is much better than the old one. It's way more involved, you know, boots up. So, let me go back to the home screen because that's not what I wanted to do. There we go. So, yeah, so Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, YouTube. Device is offline. No, it's not. Videos I download will be back online. There we go. So, this is just nutty downloads. I signed up for YouTube Premium. Have you guys done that? I just started that. So I could download stuff. But look at this. Videos of Jay Leno's garage. Seagal making an ass of himself, you know, all that good stuff. I don't have the...
You know, that's kind of the worst thing about going to 2 episodes a week.
So there you go. Like, this is a video where they make fun of Steven Seagal, which is freaking fantastic. But this is nuts. It's one of those things you didn't know you had to have it until you saw it, that kind of thing. So again, the CarPlay is better. It's a lot snappier when you use it. It starts up a little faster, that kind of stuff. So it's a better option. If you already have the old one, I'm not saying you threw away 80 bucks, buy a new one. But if you don't have one yet, then, you know, I get this one, use the discount code. And it's not my discount code, like, it's just on the Amazon right now. I think it's at 30%, but knock that down a little cheaper, and there you go, is a new one. Don't watch YouTube or Netflix while riding your motorcycle. Please, for the love of God, don't do that. I will not be held responsible because I'm telling you, don't effing do it. But that's fun. I love it anytime you can take, like, your bike stereo and make it do something it's not supposed to do. Like, that's fun. But anyway, I'll put the links and all that stuff. I hope this was entertaining. This is just a little fun thing. And they've got another one coming out that's the old one, but just faster. Like, I don't know if it does all this stuff, but that was fun. So anyway, take care of each other out there. We'll talk real soon. Bye.